Hi friends, this is Nitin Vyas, and in this video I'm going to tell you, is Chamcash is genuine, is Chamcash is real, is Chamcash will give you payment or not. That I will tell you. First of all, how can we determine a company is genuine or not, is company is legal or not. So if any company is registered with government, that means it is genuine. I will show you. Champion Network Private Limited, that is commonly known as Chamcash, is registered with Indian government. It is registered in Ministry of Cooperation Affairs of India. You need to search MCA on Google, and in the search bar you will get the website of Ministry of Cooperation Affairs of India. This is the website of Ministry of Cooperation Affairs of India, and there is option of company master data. So we have to search company master data. If its data is available on MCA website, that means it is registered with Indian government. You can check, it's a government website, Ministry of Cooperation Affairs of India. It's Indian government website, and you need to click over there on the search bar. So it's asking for company name, which company you want to search. If it is registered, you will get the data. So I'm typing a Champion Network and I'm searching it. So yeah, there is one company is coming, that name is Champion Network Private Limited. So I'm going to open it, and it's asking me to enter this captcha, and I'm going to enter it. After submitting, if company is registered, so we will get the complete data of this company. So you can check out the company's complete data is over there. Company name is Champion Network Private Limited. You can check it out, Champion Network Private Limited. It's a CIN number, you can check it, and you can also check the registration number of this company, and it is registered through ROC Delhi. And you can check the company's registered office address. This is in Karnal city of Haryana state, and the directors of this company, you can check Mahesh Verma sir. He is developer of the Chamcash application. So this company is registered in Ministry of Cooperation Affairs of India. That means it's a government registered company. Second thing, I am also working in this company as a home based job only. As you join Chamcash, so 7 months back I've started my work on Chamcash, and I'm also doing as a home based job only. First of all, I will show you the current date and time. It's 17th of July and 3:35 p.m. is currently, and on 15th of July, one transaction is there of through Champion Network Private Limited into my account, that is of 94,302 rupees, and second one also through Champion Network Private Limited. I have redeemed 2 times last month. This is around 97,092 rupees has been credited into my bank account. It is around 1,91,000 rupees has been credited into my bank account through Champion Network Private Limited. I will show you the Bank of India messages I got through my bank. I will show you that also. You can check out, it's a BOI stars on this. 97,092 rupees has been credited into my bank account on 15th of July. This is also 94,302 rupees. Total around 1,91,000 last month I have redeemed with this company. So it's a genuine company. From last 7 months I am working in this company. My first redeem is around 1,824 rupees. Second I have redeemed 12,000 rupees. Third one is of 27,000. Fourth I have redeemed 49,000. Then I redeemed 55,000, and last month redeem, as I explain you, I have a redeem of around 1,91,000 last month with this company. Not only me, at currently lakhs of people earning with this company thousands of rupees, lakhs of rupees per month. So here is a great future in this company. You can build your future, you can build your career in this company. Even I am an engineering student currently, but I am getting more than the teachers which are studying me and teaching me in my colleges. I'm getting more than them in this company. So it's a very genuine company. You will get a definitely very good income with this company. Okay, thank you.